Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Amar Pathshala Jatiyo Bidyalay. Asha koru ataye bhale asa aru aji moi tumalokor babe video banaisu AVG 290 talot thoka activity tour solution aru iyat ase model auxiliaries. Agote keita amar udaharon sailom the use of might eta auxiliary verb aru itu permission সম্ভাৱ্যতা আৰু প্ৰস্তাৱৰ কাৰণে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয় might I sit your one number to saba might I use your mobile at permissionৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত হৈছে might বহিছে বিনম্ৰ ভাৱত সোধা হৈছে মই আপোনাৰ মোবাইলটো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব পাৰোনে he might have lost the way to the library ইয়াত সম্ভাৱনাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত might ব্যৱহাৰ হৈছে you might go through this book for your assignment yat prostab diar khetrot might byabohar kora hoise use of could we use could to express ability and for requesting ami could to hokkhamata aru anurodhor karone byabohar koru he could play well ability orthat hokkhamata karone could byabohar kora hoise could you help me in searching my lost watch etu অনুরোধৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ব্যৱহাৰ হৈছে এটা would we used would for requesting and past habit অতীতৰ অভ্যাস আৰু অনুৰোধৰ কাৰণেও would ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয় would you lend me your book for 2 days ইয়াত অনুৰোধ কৰি সোধা হৈছে মোক দুদিনমানৰ কাৰণে কিতাপখন দিব পাৰিবা নাই সন্মান অৰ্থত would you like to have a cup of tea with me ইয়াত requestor karone would ব্যবহার করিছে my grandfather would work for an hour in the morning etu past habit otitor obhyak je mur koka deutai 1 ঘন্টা কই ৰাতিপুৱা ফুৰিছিল activity tut model auxiliary বহুৱা পদিছে মই পঢ় কৰি দিছো সাবা তোমালকে we ought to help the poor and the needy yat moral obligation hoise moral obligation অর্থাৎ নৈতিক বাধ্যকতা My grandfather used to read newspapers in the morning. Etu eta otitor obhyak. He dared to swim in the hazardous river of his village when he was in school. Courage orthat dared to yat sahasor karone byabohar kora hoise. He dared to swim হি যেতিয়া বিদ্যালয়ত পঢ়িছিল তেতিয়া গাঁৱৰ ওচৰত থকা বিপদসংকুল নদীত সাঁতুৰিবলৈ ভয় কৰা নাছিল বা সাহস কৰিছিল we should read good books necessity অৰ্থাৎ আৱশ্যকতাৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত should ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছে might I sit near you ইয়াত পাৰমিশন লোৱা হৈছে আৰু বিনম্ৰভাৱে পাৰমিশন লোৱা হৈছে কাৰণে might ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছে would you lend me some money ইয়াত request kora hoise ducking would go for hunt to the remote jungle of his territory yat otitor obhyak dekhor karone would byabohar kora hoise I will help you in your need yat promise kora hoise নহলে তো I লগত shall hoy kintu will to jor dia to prakash korise he karone I will my sister will munch on chips and chocolates while watching TV etu habitor orthot he karone simple future tense sor karone third person singular number ot will ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে to auxiliary verb hoy everyone shall abide by the order of their captain yat command their karone shall ব্যবহার হইছে আৰু ইয়াৰ পিছতে আছিল এটা proverb আৰু যেটো amplify কৰিব দিছিলে amplify the following proverb united we stand divided we fall answer to tumaloke sailaba everyone knows well that unity is strength the proverb is an old proverb that means we should be united to be success in our lives nobody can run his life without the help and cooperation of other people if the members of a family or a business firm are disciplined and united it prospers but when the members are disunited the family or the firm goes to dogs the result is disastrous The same thing happens in the case of other living beings too. We see that other creatures are weak and so they remain united so as to protect themselves from other stronger animals. Stronger fares due to their unity. Kautilya, the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, said, "United we stand, divided we fall." This is why he asked Chandragupta Maurya to annex small territories and make India united. The secret of success in games is unity. When a team is united, it gives good fight to its rival. When its player plays only to shine himself, the team is bound to lose the match. Unity is necessary to run our daily life and to keep the social atmosphere intact. Unity leads us to the individual and social prosperity. The work which cannot be done alone can be easily done by unity. Thus, it is clear that unity is strength and division is curse. If we want to see our country strong and prosperous, we should do our best to remain united. This is why Gandhiji did his best to see Hindus and Muslims united. ধন্যবাদ ছাত্র ছাত্ৰীসকল আশা কৰোঁ ভাল লাগিছে যদি লাইক কৰা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা আৰু যদি মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো এতিয়ালৈকে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লোৱা নাই তেনেহলে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'বা ধন্যবাদ দেই